Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where we dive deep into the world of classic machines, rugged off-roaders, and vehicles that continue to hold their charm long after their first release. Today, we are stepping into a true legend, a vehicle that blends toughness with a timeless style, a machine that not only conquered rough terrains but also found a place in the hearts of enthusiasts across the globe. I am talking about the semi-Tharh style SUV, famously recognized in many regions as the Mitsubishi Pajero from the golden era of SUVs. When you first lay eyes on this SUV, you are immediately drawn to its bold stance. It doesn't try to look flashy or over-designed like modern crossovers. Instead, it carries a clean, boxy silhouette that screams functionality and power. The two-tone paint scheme, with metallic gray on the upper body and beige on the lower half, adds a vintage charm that sets it apart from today's one-color paint jobs. It is a design that reminds us of a time when cars were built for purpose first and then dressed for style. The raised wheel arches, wide tires, and body cladding are not there just for show, they are reminders of this SUV's off-road DNA. From the side profile, the short wheelbase and two-door design instantly suggest agility in rough terrain. It is compact, yet it looks muscular, with a presence that can easily challenge the wilderness. The roof rails on top and the rear-mounted spare wheel are classic touches that scream adventure. This SUV was not built for just city roads, it was designed for deserts, mountains, and everything in between. The rugged steel wheels and tall stance further highlight that this is not a vehicle to be messed with. It stands tall, confident, and ready for action. Moving around to the front, you find a simple yet purposeful design. The headlights are squared, the grille is straightforward, and the bumper has a no-nonsense appearance. This is what makes this SUV such a cult favorite, the honesty in its design. Nothing feels overdone, and everything looks like it belongs there for a reason. Even the hood scoop hinting at the intercooler turbo tells you that this machine has got power hiding underneath, ready to roar when needed. At the rear, the full-size spare tire mounted on the back door is not only practical but also completes the rugged look. The taillights are simple, yet they fit the character of the SUV perfectly. You can almost imagine loading camping gear in the back, shutting the door, and heading off on a long road trip into the unknown. Step inside, and you are greeted by an interior that reflects the 90s era of SUVs. Practicality comes first, with wide seats that are comfortable yet tough enough to handle long off-road journeys. The dashboard is simple, with easy-to-read gauges and large controls, perfect for drivers who might be wearing gloves while tackling rough terrains. The steering wheel feels solid, and the gear shifter is perfectly positioned, ready for action. While it may not have the digital screens and luxury finishes of modern vehicles, it delivers something much more valuable: reliability and straightforward usability. Driving a machine like this is an experience of its own. The elevated seating position gives you a commanding view of the road, and the short wheelbase makes it nimble in off-road trails. The turbocharged diesel engine provides a solid punch of torque, ensuring that even steep climbs or muddy tracks are not a problem. It's not about speed, it's about strength and endurance. The sound of the engine, the feel of the suspension absorbing every bump, and the confident pull of the four-wheel drive system remind you that this SUV was built for serious adventure. What makes this SUV truly special is its timeless appeal. Even today, enthusiasts are hunting for well-kept models, restoring them, and taking them back into the wild. It is more than just a car. It is a symbol of freedom, exploration, and durability. Vehicles like this are becoming rare, but their legend continues to grow. So whether you see it parked in a showroom or out on the trails, the semi-Tharh style SUV remains a head-turner. It connects the past with the present, reminding us why we fell in love with SUVs in the first place. For those who value strength, reliability, and character, this vehicle is nothing short of iconic. Thank you for joining me today on Old Studio Car. If you love classic reviews like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more timeless journeys into the world of legendary machines.